How to fix unknown app blocked on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix unknown app blocked on Android. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. So let's dive right in. To fix an unknown app blocked error on your Android, you'll need to grant permission for the specific app, such as your Chrome or File Manager, to install unknown apps in your device. So for that, you can just go to your settings first, locate your settings app, open it up, then find special access. So normally you'll find it under apps, tap on apps, scroll down, and there you should find special app access. Tap on it. Now after you're on your special app access, you'll then need to find all unknown apps. So search for unknown apps. So there you can see install unknown apps. Tap on it. From here, select the source from which you are downloading the app. So let's say it's Brave. All you have to do is enable this allow from this source. And doing that, you've granted the permission. And yeah, now you won't be getting the unknown app blocked error on your Android anymore. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and don't forget to like the video.